हाय फ्रेंड्स। सो आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द सेकंड चैप्टर ऑफ मैथ्स, linear equation linear equations in one variable. In previous classes you might have gone through what are algebraic expressions, equations, some of examples or expressions you might have seen. मतलब हम एग्जाम्पल विल सी दिस एग्जाम्पल जस्ट लाइक 5x 2x माइनस 3। मतलब ये जो अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस है यू माइट हैव सीन अप टिल नाउ, एंड दीज आर द ये जो एग्जाम्पल्स है 5x हो 2x माइनस 3 हो या 2x प्लस वाई प्लस 1 या 5x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, ये जो भी है मैंने अब right now whichever I'm saying that these are the examples of algebraic expressions. Now in this chapter, with reference to NCERT 8th standard maths book, so in introduction they have said that in earlier chapters we might have gone through what are algebraic expressions, equations, etc, etc. So you would remember that the equation, you use the equality, equal to sign. This is the equal to sign. You might have gone through that equation. For example, we can say 5x plus 25 is equals to 0. This is the one example of the one equation. So we are going through such linear equations, and 2x minus 3. See, we'll go through the textbook, and in textbook they have mentioned that they have given one example. See it very carefully. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Now see this equation very carefully. They have said that this is the variable, this is the equality, and this whole is the equation. This is the variable, this is the equality, and this whole is the equation. What is this? This is equation. So 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. Now they have given the example. Now see, if I want to proceed further, if someone says, or आपको कहीं if someone says that please solve this equation further or evaluate, then what will we do? See here, we can clearly see that 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. See here, 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. Now what is this? This is LHS equal to, this is RHS, right? Now what do I mean by this equality? What do I mean by this equality? See here, whatever the value we have on the left hand side, the same should be equal on the right hand side. This sign indicates that LHS is equal to RHS. मतलब LHS जो है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जितनी भी वैल्यू है उतनी राइट हैंड साइड को है. इसका मतलब ये है इक्वालिटी का साइन, इक्वल्स. So further if we'll solve this, we'll get the answer 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. Now see here, 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. Now I'll evaluate further, I'll solve it further. 2x equal to, the 7 will remain as it is, and we'll transfer the 3 on the right hand side. Now see here, the symbol of the 3 is minus. The symbol of 3 is minus. The sign of 3 is minus here itself. So we'll shift this 3 towards the right hand side and it will change its signs. Now it is minus, it will become plus. So it will become 3. Now see here, 2x is equals to 7 plus 3 is 10. Now x is equals to 10. Now see here, the 2 here itself on the left hand side comes to the denominator place on the right hand side. That is, x is equals to 10 upon 2 means 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. It means x is equals to 5. Now see here, the whatever the value we have got here, x is equals to 5, just put this value in this 2x and you will come to know that whatever the LHS value we have written here is equal to RHS. Means if I'll put x equal to 5 in this equation, it should be equal to RHS. So we'll verify first. See here, 2x. Now 2x, what is the value of x? Value of x is 5. 2x minus 3 is equals to 7, right? What is 5 twos are 10 minus 3, right? 10 minus 3, 7 is equals to 7. So here it proves that x is equals to 5. This is the real answer, because whenever the equation gets satisfied itself, whenever the equation, whatever the value we have evaluated up till now here, it satisfies this equation, means it, what do I mean, that LHS is equals to RHS. So this was an example I've explained in detail. Will come on the page number 16 of second chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. So we'll go through the solved example on the page number 16, solving equations having the variable on both sides. See here what I said, this is solving equations on the both sides of variable. See, on both sides means I mean to say on LHS also as well as RHS also. Now see here, you will see that we have a variable on the left side, not on the right side. So the solved example on the page number 16 of your second chapter, that is 2.2, solving equations having variable on both sides. Now see here, we'll go through that example and just we'll see that whatever the example I have explained right now, we'll put the same logic in that example, whatever the solved example is there, and we'll see whether it satisfies or not. See here, we'll take the example 2x minus 3 is equals to x plus 2. 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Now see here, they have said that solving the equations having variables on both sides. See here, 2x minus 3 and x, these are variables. So this is LHS and this is RHS. So they have solved in textbook. Let it be, we'll solve in our own method for better understanding. So what we have here, we have 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. What will we do? We'll bring the variables on the one side, or it may be RHS or LHS, and we'll bring the numbers on the one side. any one side. It may be RHS or LHS. So see here, we'll simplify it further. See here, 2x. Now see here, minus 3 is equals to x plus 2. Now what will we do? We'll bring this x this side on the left side, and we'll bring this minus 3 on the right side. So let's see what happens. We'll shift this on the left side. So this is plus x, it will become minus, equal to, now we'll shift this 3 towards the right hand side, it becomes plus. Now 2x minus x, that is x. 3 plus 2, 5. Now see what we have done. We have x equal to 5 from the above equation. By solving the above equation, we have got x equal to 5. We'll cross verify once and see whether, we'll check it whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. See here, x equal to 5. We have put x equal to 5 minus 3. I'm solving this equation by putting the value of x here itself. X equal to 5 into bracket minus 3 is equal to, what is x? X is 5 plus 2. Let's see. 5 2s are 10. Minus 3 is equals to 7. Now see here, 7 is equals to 7. Hence, the answer whichever we have got, x equal to 5, satisfies that equation. I mean to say that whatever I have solved, whatever the steps I have solved, that are correct, 100% correct. So we'll go for the next example. So now see here, in textbook they have given the different method. They have said that we have 2x equal to x plus 2 plus 3, then 2x equal to x plus 5, and all. See, although the answer is same, we will go towards the easiest method, whichever we want. So I've gone through this. You might solve from any method, the answer will be the same. So it doesn't matter how you solve. We'll go through the second example, that is solved example below this example in textbook, which is on page number 16. So we have 5x plus 7 upon 2. We have 5x plus 7 upon 2 is equals to 3 upon 2x, 3 upon 2x minus 14. Now see here, the previous example, we'll take the reference of the previous example. Now in previous example, what I have said, that the variables which are there in this equation will bring it on one side, and whatever the numbers are there present in that equation will bring it on one side. So see here, now in this equation you might have seen that up till now we have seen 5x plus, suppose don't consider this denominator here, 5x plus 7 is equals to 3x minus 14. But the thing is, we have got a denominator on the both sides. So here we can do one thing, that we'll multiply it by 2. We'll multiply it by 2 on LHS as well as RHS. Now why would I multiply on left side as well as RHS? The thing is, if I don't want this denominator, while solving, so what will I do? To eliminate this 2, which is in the place of in denominator, which is on LHS and RHS also, what will I do? I'll multiply by 2 on both sides. So as I'll eliminate the denominator. as well as on LHS and RHS. So see here, I'll do one thing. I'll write it here 2 5x plus now see here, I have multiplied by 2. So by simplifying this, see here, what will I do? Now I have to multiply 2 into 5x as well as 2 into 7 upon 2. This is on the left hand side as well as on right hand side also. So you have to mention in your answer sheet in your notebook while writing the in the exam point of view. You have to write the reason and mention over here multiplying sorry multiplying by 2 on LHS and RHS, that is on left hand side and right hand side. I have multiplied, right? So see here, I'll simplify. The next step is 2 into 5x. I'll give a bracket now plus 2 into 7 upon 2 equal to sign 2 into 3 by 2 3 upon 2 x minus sign 2 into 14. This is the next step. See here, see carefully that 2 into 5x plus sign 2 into 7 upon 2 equal to 2 into 3 into x 2 into 3 upon 2x minus into bracket 2 into 40. So we'll solve this. 5 into 2 5x into 2 10x plus, now see here, 2 into 7 upon 2, this gets cancelled, the thing remains only 7, right, equal to sign 2 into 3 by 2x. Now the same thing, whatever I have done here in this on LHS, I have cancelled 2 here from 2 here. Why? Because see here, if I'll give the example. If suppose I'll tell that I have a half roti, and I need to multiply by 2, means I have given half rotis, and I want to say that multiplied by 2. Why? Because I want to give it to 2 boys or 2 guys or whatever you want to consider, you can consider. Now suppose, see, this is the half roti and I want to give it to the 2 students. See here, I'll illustrate with giving an example. See here, this is the half roti. Okay, one more half roti, right? See here, this is the illustration with a diagram and this is the explanation in the form of equation. See, 2 by 2 get cancelled, 2 1 upon 2 into 2 get cancelled. What is the answer? That is 1. Half roti plus half roti, how much it becomes? 1. So I have given the example just to understand why, how it can be get cancelled, this 2 and 2, how it can be get cancelled. So this is the example. Now let us see, we'll solve it further in a simplified way. 10x plus 7 is equals to, this 2 gets cancelled, 3x minus 14 into 2, 2 into 14 is 28. Now see here, the equation we have got 10x plus 7 is equals to 3x minus 28. We have variables on both sides, LHS as well as RHS. So I'll write it here. See here, 10x plus 7 is equals to 3x minus 28. Now what will I do? I'll bring the variables on one side and I'll put the numbers on one side. So what I'll get the answer. See here, I'll bring this 3x to the left side and I'll shift this 7 to the right side. Now see here what it becomes further. 10x minus 3x. Why minus 3x? Because it has plus sign over here. When it gets shifted to the left hand side, it becomes minus, the symbol changes. So I'll write it here equal. What is this? This is plus 7, and what is this? This is plus 7. We are shifting this plus 7 to the right hand side, so minus 28 minus 7. Now see here, 10x minus 3x, it becomes 7x is equals to minus 28 minus 7 minus 35. Right? Now x is equals to minus 35. Now this 7 into x, 7x. I've written here 7 into 7x for the better understanding in a simplified manner. So I can write directly like this also, x is equals to minus 35 by 7. Right? X is equals to minus 35 by 7. Now see here, if we'll simplify, we'll get the answer as minus 5. So x is equals to minus 5. So to solve the equations having variables on the both sides is very easy. The thing is, you should not get confused by while shifting the variables or the numbers from LHS to RHS, or just like this example. See here, in denominator we have taken 2. They have given 2. So what students do? They get frightened that how to solve now. Up till now we have solved 5x plus 7 is equals to 3x minus 14. We didn't solve this type of equation. So no need to worry. Just do one thing, just to eliminate the denominator of both sides, multiplied by whatever the number. Now we have taken 2. Why we have multiplied by 2? Just to eliminate the number 2 from the both sides. Okay, so see, this is the simplified way. In this manner we can solve the equations as given. Now in the textbook they have solved in the different manner. You can refer any solution. You might refer this solution also, you might refer the another solution. It depends upon you. So we'll solve the exercise 2.1. We'll solve the exercise 2.1. If you have any questions, if you have any doubt, please do comment below in this video, and I'll get back to you, and I'll share my mail ID too in the comment box or in the description itself. If you have any questions, you can mail me or otherwise I'll share my WhatsApp number too. You can WhatsApp me your queries. I'll get back to you within that day. I'll try to get back within that day. So we'll move towards the exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Now see here, solve the following equations and check your results. Now see here, we'll take the first example. will solve it very fastly. So you need to be fast, you should increase your speed, so that you'll gain some confidence that we have nothing in this. So we'll take the first example, that 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. 2x plus 18. Now see here, in the previous videos, in the I mean to say, sorry, in the previous example, what I have explained, bring the variables on any side and bring the numbers on one side. That is, if you bring the variables on the left hand side, bring the numbers on the right hand side, vice versa. So see here, if I'll solve, what is this? 3x, this is given, you can write in your solution. Further to simplify, on LHS, 3x, I'll shift it on left hand side, that is minus 2x, it will become minus 2x. Why? Because this is plus 2x. When it comes to LHS, it becomes minus, and 18 as it is. Now see here, 3x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x, it becomes x, x equal to 18. Done. See here. Now see here, if you want to sorry, if you want to see whether x equal to 18, whether x equal to 18 satisfies this equation, just put this x equal to 18 in this equation and see whether you are getting the same, right? Now we'll go to the second problem. The second is 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. Now see here students, whenever you go through any example, it doesn't mean that they have taken x, they have taken y. The variable, it is nothing that the variable must be x or y or z. It doesn't mean that. See here, this is the second example and this is the first example. They have taken the x variable. Up till now you might have seen that we have taken the variable x, y, z. It is nothing that it is not any compulsion, or it is not any rule that x is take y, x is always taken, y, z is always taken. No, it's nothing like that. You can take any. Now see here, to confuse you, for the new ones, the new students who have not gone through this equation, for the confusion, they have taken 5t minus 3t is equal to 3t minus 5. Now see here, I'll simplify here. 5t minus 3t equal to 3t minus 5. Now I'll bring the variables. Now this is the variable, right? T is the variable. I'll bring the variable on one side and I'll bring the numbers on one side. Now see here, 5t, I'll transfer it on left side, 3t, it becomes minus. Why? Because it is plus here. When it shifts to left hand side, it becomes minus 3, equal to, I'll shift this 3 to the right side. Now minus 5 plus 3. Now see here, 5t minus 3t, 2t. Now minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 2. Now t equal to minus 2 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, equal to 1, minus 1. That's it. Sorry. So we have got t equal to minus 1. Now if you have any doubt, see here, put this minus 1 in this given equation. Put this t is equals to minus 1 and see whether, cross verify that whether it satisfies or not. It must satisfy, because if t is equals to minus 1, we have evaluated, we have simplified it over here. If it would not have come minus 1 or any other answer, it must satisfy this equation. So we'll move towards the third example, that is 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. We'll move towards the third example. We'll go that 5x plus, what is the example? 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. Now see here, with reference to previous examples, what I'll do, 5x, I'll bring this variable on the left hand side, it becomes 3x is equals to, now I'll shift this sign on the right side, that is 5 minus 9. Now 5x minus 3x, it becomes 2x. Now 5 minus 9 is equals to minus 4. Now x is equals to minus 4 by 2. So x is equals to minus 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Done. Put this x equal to minus 2 in this equation. It must satisfy. This is the third problem. We'll go towards the fourth problem. We'll go to the fourth problem, that is 4z plus 3 4z plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2z. Now see here, bringing the variables on one side, 4z minus 2z. Now why minus 2z? It is plus over here. We have bought this 2z on the left hand side, 6 as it is. Now we are shifting the 3 over on right hand side. So 4z minus 2z, it becomes 2z. 6 minus 3, that is 3. Z equals to 3 by 2. So this must satisfy this equation. Now see here, when you will put this z equal to 3 upon 2 in this itself. See, for your better understanding, I'll put this z in this equation. Right? So see here, 4 z. What is the value of z? 3 by 2, right? Plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2 into z. What is z? 2 into z is 3 by 2. Now see here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 2 gets cancelled. Now see here, we have cancelled this. 3 2s are 6 plus 3, 6 as it is, plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. LHS is equals to RHS. So I've given the solution in detail just because that you should get that why we are getting the answer correctly, and to verify that we should put that value in that equation. So we'll move towards the fifth example. What is the fifth example? See here, 2x minus 1 is equals to 14 minus x. Now see here, bring that variables on one side, 2x, now minus x, it becomes plus x is equals to 14. Now this is minus 1, it becomes plus over here when it gets shifted. 2x plus x, that is 3x, is equals to 14 plus 1, that is 15. Now x equal to 15 upon 3. 3 comes over denominator on the right hand side. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 is equals to 5. S equal to 5. If you have any doubt, put this equation x equal to 5 in this equation and you can solve it further, right? So we'll move towards the sixth problem. What is the sixth problem? 8x plus 4 is equals to 8x 4 is equals to x plus 4 is equals to 3 into x minus 1. I guess it is plus 7. Yes, it is 7. So solving this, we'll write as it is 8x plus 4 is equals to 3x 1 plus 7. Now LHS 8x plus 4 is equals to 3 into x, 3x, 3 minus 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 as it is plus 7. Now bringing, after simplifying these brackets, after opening this bracket, we are simplifying it further. See here, 8x plus 4 is equals to 3x. Now minus 3 plus 7, minus 3 plus 7 plus 4, right? Now we have simplified in a simple way. Now bringing the variables on one side with reference to previous examples, 8x minus 3x is equals to plus 4 minus 4. Now 8x minus 3x, what it comes? 8x minus 3x, 5x equal to plus 4 minus 4, 0. So x is equals to 0 upon 5. It does not satisfy this equation. How? Just go through it. See here, we'll see that we have solved it very carefully or not. 8x plus 4 is equals to into bracket 3x minus 1 plus 7. We have written the same equation over here. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into bracket x minus 1 plus 7. 8x plus 4 is equals to 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 7. Okay, satisfied. 8x plus 4 equal to 3x. Now minus 3 plus 7, it becomes 4. So 8x plus 4 equal to 3x plus 4. We have written the correct step and we have taken this on the left side, 8x minus 3x. Okay, right? Now we have taken this 4 on the right side and plus 4. No, it's correct. So this is the solution. Now you can't divide 0 by 5. You can't divide. So this is the answer, x equal to, and it does not satisfy x equal to 0 upon 5 in this equation. So moving towards the next example, seventh example, we will move towards the seventh example of exercise 2.1, which is on page number 16 of your maths book. Seventh example, x equal to 5, x equal to 4 upon 5, sorry, x equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. So this is the problem, seventh problem. So see here, right now students, on the left hand side we don't have any number just like 4 upon 5. We don't have any rational number there on LHS. We have only on RHS. It doesn't mean that multiplying 5 on both sides, because if we'll multiply 5 on both sides, uh, we'll have to write in more simplified way. In respect to, in order to that, we'll do one thing. See here, we'll shift this 5 to on LHS. Now, is it possible? Yes, that is possible. Now I'll write here 5x equal to 4 into x plus 10. Now see here, if I'll multiply 5 on both sides, see, if I'll multiply 5 on both sides, what will it become? See here, okay, we'll take this example. Now I'm multiplying 5 on both sides. I've multiplied 5 on LHS. Now I need to multiply it by 5 on RHS. It gets cancelled. The same thing I've written directly, and you can also do these things also. You can also multiply 5 directly on left side, and it becomes 5x equal to 4 into bracket x plus 10. Now for the understanding purpose, I have written this multiplying by 5 on both sides. It's up to you. It's okay. So 5x is equals to 4 into bracket x plus 10, right? So 5x equal to 4 into x, 4x plus 4 in 4 into 10, 40. Now bringing the variables on a LHS is equals to 5x minus 4x equal to 40. Now 5x minus 4x x equal to 40. It should satisfy this equation. So by putting x equal to 40 in this equation, it must satisfy this equation, right? So this was an example, 7th example. We'll move towards the 8th example, 9th example, and 10th example. So see here, they have given the equation. Now moving towards the 8th example. Now see here, what is the 8th example? We have 2x plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now see here, we'll get little bit confused over here. Now you might have seen what is LCM, what is HCF, lowest common factor, highest common factor. So ये example है, what the example which they have given, the 8th example is just like similar like that. No need to worry. See here, 2x plus 3, multiply this right over here on numerator, keep this in denominator as it is, 7x upon 15 plus 15 3s are 45, right? 2x plus 3 upon 3 is equals to 7x plus 45 upon 15. Now see here, look towards the LHS and RHS, 3 and 15. 3 and 15, 3 के टेबल में 15 आता है, yes or no? So whenever you multiply it by I mean to say 5, or I mean to say 3. So 2x plus 3 upon 3 is equals to 7x plus 45 upon 15. Now what will I do? I'll multiply it by 3 on both sides. I'll multiply it by 3 on both sides. So I'll write it over here, 3 into 2x plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 45 upon 15. Now see here, if I'll multiply, write the reason over here. You should write I'll write in the terms of symbol multiplying by 3 on LHS and RHS. You write it in a well manner. I don't have space on this board, so I've written like that. So see here, 3 get cancelled. 3 5s are 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So what remains? 2x plus 3 is equals to 7x plus 45 upon 5. Now what will I do? I'll shift this denominator on the LHS. That is, I'll multiply 5. 2x plus 3 is equals to 7x plus 45. 5 2s are 10x, 5 3s are 15 is equals to 7x plus 45. Now see here, 10x plus 15 is equals to 7x plus 45. Now 10x minus 7x, I'll transfer that 7x on the LHS. It becomes minus 10x minus 7x is equals to, I'll shift that 15 on RHS, that is equals to 45 minus 15. Now 10x minus 7x, what is 10x minus 7x? 3x. 3x is equals to 45 minus 15, that is 30. X equal to 30 upon 3. So x equal to 3 tens are 30. So x equal to 10. If you want to cross verify, put that x equal to 10 in this equation. Put that x equal to 10 in this equation and you will get the answer. You will be satisfied. Now moving towards the 9th example of exercise 2.1 from the given textbook of NCERT. The 9th example they have given is 2y plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 by 3 minus y. Now see here, in the previous examples we have seen that if in the denominator we are getting 3 on both sides as well as on LHS and RHS, so they have given a simple example to solve. So 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equals to 26 upon 3 minus 5. So what will you do? What will I do? I'll multiply it both sides by 3. That is 2y plus 5 upon 3. I have multiplied the whole bracket by 3, right? So 26, sorry, I need to multiply by 3 on both sides. 26 by 3 minus y. Now see here, 3 into 2y, it becomes 5y. 5y. Now 3 into 5 upon 3, 3 gets cancelled, it becomes 5 is equals to 3 get, now see here, 3 into 26 by 3. 3 get cancelled. It becomes 26. Now 3 minus y minus 3y. Now bringing the variables on LHS, see multiplying by 3 on both sides. Multiplying 3 on both sides for this step. Now further 5y plus 3y, here it is minus 3 on LHS, it becomes plus, is equals to 26 minus 5. Now 5y plus 3y is 8y, is equals to 26 minus 5, 21. Y is equals to 21 upon 8. Put this y value of y in this equation and you must get this answer. Now moving towards the last example of exercise 2.1. They have given that 3m is equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. Now see here, we don't have denominator on LHS, we only have denominator on RHS. So I'll write as it is 3m is equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. Still what I'll do, I'll multiply by 5 to eliminate this 5 on both sides. So 5 into 3m is equals to 5 into 5m minus 8 by 5, right? So 5 into 3m, it becomes, sorry, I forgot to write the reason, multiplying by 5 on both sides, that is on LHS as well as RHS. So we have multiplied over here 5 into 3 m is equals to 5 into 5m minus 8 upon 5. So 5 into 3m is 15, right? 5 into 5m, 25m. 5 into minus 8 upon 5, minus 8, 5 gets cancelled. So 15m is equals to 25m minus 8. I'll write this like this. Whatever there is on RHS, I'll write it on LHS. So 25m minus 8 is equals to 15. For the understanding purpose, I have written like this. So we could have solved after this also by taking LHS 15m and RHS 25m by 8. For your better understanding, I have done this. So 25m is equals to 15. Whatever the minus 8 I have taken on the LHS, I'll take it on RHS. So 25m is equals to 15 plus 8, we have got 23. M is equals to 23 by 25. That's the answer. M is equals to, we have got M is equals to 23 by 25. So this was the last example and I'll stop it over here. This was the exercise 2.1. If you have any doubts, if you have any comments, you can comment in the comment section of this video, and for the better understanding, go thoroughly through this video, don't skip the video. And if you like my videos, if you want to give any suggestions, you can give the suggestions in the comment box. I'll mention my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and as well as I'll mention my mail ID over there. Thank you.